If you're wondering how clear skin is possible without buying any skincare, then get comfortable because in this video, I'll be sharing 10 tips or 10 ways you can achieve clear skin without spending any money. The first tip is stop popping pimples. I know this is very difficult because when we see a pimple spot on our face, the first thing that comes to mind is popping it, but that's not the best way to go. The best thing to do is leave the pimple alone, let it heal on its own. I know it is very difficult to avoid popping your pimple, but just try to control it because for each pimple you pop, you leave a scar on your face, and this is not what we want. So popping pimples equals pimple scar, and if you don't want pimple scar on your face, you just have to find a way to avoid popping your pimples. A lot of people enjoy popping pimples for others, and they feel like they are doing something good for them because they feel like they are trying to get rid of the pimples by popping them. If you are popping someone's pimples, you are not doing them any good because you are going to make their skin full of scars. You're not doing any good by popping the pimples. Besides picking pimples, another way to easily get breakouts is by constantly touching your face. The hands carry oils, bacteria, and germs, and if you constantly touch your face, you are transferring these bacteria and oil to your face, which can cause breakout on your skin. We can get germs on our hands by touching our computer keyboards, by touching doorknobs, by touching the sink and other public places. Frequent washing of your hands will limit bacteria and germ transfer to your skin that leads to breakout. And always remember to wash your hands before you start your skincare routine. The next tip is changing of pillowcase. A lot of people don't change their pillowcases regularly. It is recommended that you change your pillowcase at least once weekly. Some people do every other day, but I think that's a bit too much. That's a lot of work. But try to cultivate the habit of changing your pillowcase weekly because the oils from your hair and your skin build up on your pillow and they cause breakouts on the skin. Besides the oil from our hair and our skin, some of us drool while we sleep. And when you drool on your pillow, you are transferring saliva to your pillow, which carry other bacteria that can cause breakouts on the skin. Silk pillowcases are recommended because they absorb less moisture compared to other materials like cotton. And silk pillowcases, because they absorb less moisture, they will help the skin to retain more moisture. The third tip is diet. Our diet plays a huge role in how our skin looks. And to maintain clear skin, you should avoid high sugar, heavily greasy, and processed foods like sweets, chocolates, ice cream, etc. Try adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet and keep the skin hydrated by drinking lots of water. I know you've heard this a million times, but that is because drinking water is still very important for our skin health. If you find drinking water very boring, you can start drinking lemon water. Lemon water has lots of health and skin benefits. It aids in weight loss. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C that brightens the skin. Drinking lemon water promotes collagen production, which is very good for the skin. I personally find drinking lemon water very refreshing. The next tip is sun protection. To maintain clear skin, you should try as much as possible to protect your skin from the sun. I personally use sunscreens, but I avoid the sun like a plague. Wear clothing that covers your skin, wear hats to shade your face from the sun, seek shades, stay out of the sun as much as possible to protect your skin from UV rays. The fifth tip is adequate sleep. Sleep, as common as it sounds, also has skin benefits. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to help your body repair and rejuvenate your skin. I don't joke with my sleep. I always go to bed early because I know my body is used to getting out of bed early. Try to get time to sleep. A lot of people stay up late watching movies. If you are not staying up late to make money, I don't think you should prioritize movies over your night's rest because if you want to glow, you should sleep. Get enough sleep and your skin will thank you. The sixth tip is using body towels on your face. If you are still doing this, just stop it. Stop it. If you are using one body towel for your face and your body, stop it immediately because you're transferring germs from your skin to your face. The skin on the face is more delicate than the skin on our body. I don't know if you've noticed, but I know the skin on my body is tougher than the skin on my face. And so you can easily irritate the skin on the face by using harsh body towels on your face. Besides irritating the skin, you can transfer germs because the towel you use on your body goes all around your body, and you can easily transfer germs from one part of the body to your face. When you transfer these germs to your face, they cause breakouts or other skin issues. I recommend using two towels, one for your face and one for your body. The towel you're using for your face should be really soft, very soft. And when you're drying your face, always go in with patting motions. Always pat your skin dry. Do not rub your skin dry, and make sure you wash that face towel frequently, because as you're using it consistently, it builds up bacteria, and if you don't wash it, these bacteria will cause more skin issues. So wash your towels regularly, both the body and the face. The seventh tip is not cleaning makeup brushes. A lot of people wear makeup, but they rarely wash their brushes, and a very good way to cause breakouts on your skin is reusing dirty makeup brushes. If you love doing makeup, you should love washing your brushes. Make it a habit to wash your brushes once weekly, because these makeup products will cause buildup of bacteria and germs on your brush. When you continue to use these things, most times it is not the makeup product causing the breakout, it's the fact that you've used a brush or a makeup sponge or a makeup powder puff and you haven't washed it, and then you're going in with the same dirty makeup brush, puff, and whatever, and you're still using it over and over again. Stop exposing your skin to bacteria and germs. If you have watched this video up to this point and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, because if you don't, you'll be missing a lot of juicy content coming on this channel. The eighth tip is going to bed with makeup and sunscreen. Why are you going to bed with your makeup and your sunscreen? Always remove your makeup and sunscreen before you go to bed, because leaving these products on your skin will cause your skin to break out. Make sure to always double cleanse with an oil cleanser and a water-based cleanser when you use your makeup and your sunscreen before you go to bed, because that's the best way to take off makeup and sunscreen from your skin. The ninth tip is regular exercise and stress management. A lot of us, when we start undergoing stress, our skin begins to react in certain ways, and that's normal. That's normal because our body contributes to our skin's health, our emotions, and everything is just connected. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, which also helps to promote skin's health. Always make time to exercise regularly, connect with friends, make time to connect with loved ones, make time to relax. Do something you love, something that makes you happy, and your skin will thank you. A lot of people won't like this last point, but my final point is avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol can impact the skin negatively, so you can start by reducing the amount of cigarette and the amount of alcoholic drinks you take, and find a way to strike a balance. I know this is hard to completely stop, but try as much as possible to avoid these things as much as you can. By incorporating some of these habits or all of these habits into your daily routine, you can be sure to achieve clear skin without spending any money. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to give me a huge fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. See you later, guys.